at it here. It's gonna look great. In full swing, prepping for our first event here. Fun stuff. These are all the signs we've got done so far for our first event of the year here. I think I counted 32. We'll be working on getting those framed up here. Yeah, bring you guys along for that. So in one of our first videos, we talked about a couple storage areas that we have around the back of the garage and house here. Let me show you here. So we got this thing here with the roof caved in, and then we got this attached on the back of the house. But we talked about rebuilding both of them. And as you can see with this one, not gonna get a good angle here, but there was like a floor there and it caved in, as you can see by that board there. Let's see if I can get a better look. Don't know. Here. Broke off, and so yeah, all this is just falling over and needs cleaned up. Like we said in that first video, we were wanting to rebuild it, but for now, since the floor on it just totally caved in, what I'll probably do is move everything out of there and then just lay skids down on the ground in there to put stuff back, because there's really no other place to put this stuff. But yeah, as it's getting warmer out here, this is something I'll be doing. We'll also get this torn down. I don't know when it'll be rebuilt, but we'll get it torn down because it's just an absolute eyesore. I mean, look at that. Terrible. But when we do that, I'll probably rent a dumpster to get all this other crap out of here. All these logs we're not going to use. There's junk along the front of the garage. Just trying to clean up, you know, make the shop a nicer place, and eventually get like a shed rebuilt back here and get that rebuilt as well for extra storage so that we can have more room in the actual garage. Side note on all that, spring's basically in full effect here in Ohio. I've had to mow the yard already. Be mowing it again before too long. Fun stuff. Anyway, just wanted to update you guys on all that stuff that's going on. Take a look in here, that flag we got on the laser. Coming along. Thought it'd be farther along, but nope. Up to 20 minutes so far. I can't really see that, but yep, check it out when it's done. And we are done here. Check that out here. Get it in a good light. Yeah. It's gonna look sick once we get the frame on it added to the collection. We'll get something else thrown on the engraver here, but paint is getting dirty, man. I just cleaned it literally like days ago. But when you're doing a lot of stuff, you got to clean it pretty regularly. I'm going to make a video showing you guys my process for cleaning it. So definitely stay tuned for that. My brother is building another one of these to look exactly like it, same specifications and everything, for a client. May check in with him and see where he's at with that. I know I keep mentioning we're going to make a video about this, we're going to make a video about that. And we are. It's just hard getting back into the swing of doing all that. But yeah, we've got several videos like started. There's quite a bit of footage on this phone already for them. So yeah, they're definitely coming. The channel's definitely going to pick up as far as the full length content goes. It just, we're building stuff, and that's what the videos are, right? And that just takes time to get those done and get the videos out there. So, all right. So, where you at with the table here?
Well, as far as assembly goes, got to get the supports put in for the shelf.
Okay.
And then next would be attaching the skirts to the legs, like so.
Yeah.
Close to that. And then I would be using those hidden fasteners, the pocket holes.
Yeah.
Right. And then that will all get set on top of the table. That's at the top of it. Whatever. Anchor it to the top. And then attach the bottom shelf.
Cool. So you'll be filming that full video for it, right?
Correct.
Yep.
We'll give you some footage on that. Should be good.
Yeah. Awesome.